Let's explain these 5 emotional phenomena that occurs during grandiosity. Impulsivity is an instantaneous reaction or decision make without any sort of...
Philosophy I didn't mention, which the perception of things being alive. And one idea is psychedelic induction, where a person may take on this whole animalistic, abstract ideas, concepts, and knowledge are not just innate, but they are contingent on our sensory perception. So I think it's a fascinating phenomenon. Not just going to take literary devices and create a taxonomy of all the commonalities different devices share in common. So that's aggregating the figurative aspect of the linguistic. To do with social interaction and more to do with business and getting...
Got it, so you're just at work?
Yeah.
What kind of projects?
When you unravel it, you can't ever get to a center.
Right.
Mobius strip of interest.
Right, I mean, down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.